everyone. My today's topic is about heat treatment procedure used in refineries, chemicals, fertilizers plant and construction sites and in workshops. We will discuss codes and standards, terms and definitions, types of heat treatment, tools and equipments, project-specific method statement, and inspection. Number 1. Codes and standards. Why standard or code used? A code is a set of rules and specifications for the correct methods and materials used in a certain product, building, or process. The main purpose of codes is to protect the public by setting up the minimum acceptable level of safety for buildings, products, and processes. A standard is usually a formal document that establishes uniform engineering or technical criteria, methods, processes, and practices. Standards allow for interchangeability of parts, system interoperability, and they ensure quality, reliability, and safety. ASME 31.1. Clause 131, Welding Preheat. Clause 132, Post-weld heat treatment. ASME 31.3. Clause 330, Preheating. Table 330.1.1, Preheat temperature. Clause 331, Heat treatment. There are 3 types of methods used for heat treatment procedure. Preheating is a very effective means of preventing weld metal or base metal cracking. It is the application of heat to the base metal prior to a welding or cutting operation. It does not change the properties of the steel, but it is advisable under certain conditions to drive off moisture and helps to ensure even expansion to eliminate undesirable stresses. Concurrent heating during welding, also referred to as preheating, retards the cooling, thus preventing the formulation of an underbead crack. Post-heating. After welding, the temperature is raised up to 350 degrees centigrade and cooled down in a blanket, insulation, in the presence of air. Post-weld heat treatment, stress relieving, is the heating of steel to a relatively high temperature. Example: 590 degrees centigrade to 700 degrees centigrade, after welding, and maintaining that temperature for a specific period of time and cool down at a controlled rate. The purpose is to reduce internal stresses, caused by welding, quench hardening, or by cold working. It also has an advantageous effect on the elasticity, ductility, and strength of the metal. There are 4 types of heating methods used for heat treatment procedure. Resistance heating, induction heating, flame heating, furnace and oven heating. Resistance heating. The phenomena of producing heat by conventional means by electric resistance coil. For example, from industrial furnaces to household ranges, water heaters, and toasters. This is the single line diagram to understand the cable connection and its component package for a 50 kV power source. Power sources: 50 kV and 65 kV. Transformer / heat treatment units. There are some power source transformers. Heat treatment units are suitable for pre- and post-weld heat treatment of pipework and vessels on refineries, chemicals, fertilizers and power plant construction sites, and in workshops. Mains voltage control units. Used for larger jobs where low voltage power sources and low voltage elements are uneconomical. It is used for the post-weld heat treatment of closing seams on pressure vessels and also powering temporary furnace installations. The unit is mobile, self-contained within a substantial steel cabinet and requires minimal maintenance. Control equipment. The combined use of heat treatment units, energy regulators, and temperature controllers provides semi-automatic fall, with fully automatic soak temperature control. Temperature range from 0 degrees centigrade to 1000 degrees centigrade temperature. P256 Programmer. Used to control various heat treatment processes. Control setting is by means of push switches, and an LCD screen provides a visual indication of program position and output status at any time. Heating elements. Flexible ceramic pad heaters. Manufactured from high-grade materials, have a working temperature capability of 1050 centigrade. The multi-strand nickel-chrome element wire is electrically insulated by interlocking sintered alumina beads, providing a flexible high heat transfer capacity mat, complete with camlock connectors. It produces a strong low-resistance cold junction. There are some heating elements used in this procedure. Finger elements. Tank track heaters. Insulated preheaters. Rope heaters. Channel heaters. Designed to pre- and post-weld heat treat large fabrications and vessels. Channel heaters are usually positioned within the insulated workpiece, creating a temporary furnace installation with a radiant forward/convective heat source capable of protracted heat treatment periods. Portable and easy to handle. They are suitable for a variety of applications, particularly as they have a long on-site working life. Can be used as hearth or wall elements when constructing temporary furnaces. Electric infrared heater. For preheat of rotating vessels during the automatic welding process. Used as a single freestanding unit or in multiples positioned either vertically, horizontally, or circumferentially about a vessel. Heating elements. Flexible ceramic pad heaters. Ceramic mat heater is manufactured with quality multi-strand 80/20 nichrome heating wire, NICR 80/20, and high alumina ceramic beads. It has a standard 9 cold tail length, which is welded to the heating wire with pure nickel wire to keep the 60A brass camlock connector from being heated. The ceramic bead is made of sintered 95% alumina, 95% L2O3. It enjoys high temperature resistance, excellent insulating property, and efficient thermal conductivity, which provides FCP heaters with exceptional electrical insulation, and thermal shock resistance, and thermal conductivity qualities. Temperature recorder. Accurate temperature recording is an essential requirement for all pre- and post-weld heat treatment operations. Calibration units. Recorders are calibrated accurately with test equipment traceable to national standards. Recorders are checked and calibrated at least every 6 months, recommended. Thermocouples and accessories. STD-10 welding unit is an extremely robust capacitor discharge type welding unit which enables rapid attachment of thermocouple wires directly to the workpiece. Cables and connections. Plugs, sockets and connectors. Thermal insulation. Ancillary equipment. Spares. Heating elements and spares.